Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Phonics Drizzle. Today we are going to see phonics sound group 3. Without any delay, let's dive into the class. These are the group 3 letters. G says G, G like goat. O says A, A like octopus. U says like umbrella. L says L, L like lion. F says F, F like fish. B says B, B like balloon. Let's repeat all sounds together. G says G. O says A. U says A. L says L. F says F. B says B. Comment how many words you can make in this group 3 letters. Comment below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, bye for now.